Not sure if you have Microsoft Excel on your device? Follow along on your own device. Before beginning Module 1, you will need the proper version of Excel to pass this class. First, go to your Start menu and type in Excel. If the Excel app appears in your menu, select it to ensure it opens properly. Once it opens, select a blank workbook. Now, ensure you are logged into the Excel under your UC license. In the top right of the Excel window, you should see a sign-in menu. Ensure the application is logged into your UC email. If it is not, sign in using your UC login credentials. If you do not have Excel on your device, no worries. Simply open your internet browser and go to mail.uc.edu. It may prompt you to log in with your UC credentials. Once logged in, select the waffle icon in the upper left of the site. Next, click on the link for Microsoft 365 in the upper right corner of the menu. Next, select the button for Install and More. Choose the option for Install Microsoft 365 apps. On the next screen, choose the option to install Office. From there, the installation package will download onto your device. Simply go to your download folder and run the installation program. Once the application has been installed, register the application using your UC login credentials. If you have any trouble with installing the Microsoft applications on your device, contact UC IT for additional assistance. You can also visit the campus in months 110 for hands-on assistance. It is important to note that the online version of Microsoft Excel will not work for many of your practical application assignments. So it is very important that you have the desktop application available for this course. Failure to have the desktop application accessible to you at any time during the semester will not be an excuse for incomplete assignments or missed due dates.